with American Express, you do not, I repeat, you do not have to have an American Express card in order to get a personal loan. What I really like about Upstart.com is that they look at more than just what's on your credit report when they're looking to give you an approval for a personal loan. For example, today we're going to talk to you guys about 8 personal loan companies that don't require a hard pull in order to see what your terms, your payment, and your interest rate is going to be. Let's go ahead and get started. The first one on our list is going to be Upstart.com. What I really like about Upstart.com is that they look at more than just what's on your credit report when they're looking to give you an approval for a personal loan. For example, they look at a couple different things: how long you've been at your job, what type of field that you work in, and amongst other things as well too that may not be on the typical application when you are applying for a personal loan. They don't just do personal loans either. They also do car loan refinances and some other things as well. The next one on our list is going to be upgrade.com. This one allows you to get up to $50,000 with a low fixed rate loan. And now this one's going to give you affordable monthly payments, no prepayment fees, and fast funding as well. And as you can see here, you can check your rate. It's free and it will not impact your credit score. They also have credit cards as well too if you guys have gotten denied from other companies as well. Next is going to be Avant.com. Now this one has been out for a very long time. Avant.com lets you borrow as low as $2,000. So if you don't need a whole lot of money, you just want to consolidate some things or whatever you need to do, you most definitely have this as an option. And they just came out recently with a credit card as well too. And as you can see here, they give you fast funds, fixed interest rate, auto pay your way. And then once you're ready to go ahead and apply, it lets you know right here that you can apply online, and exploring your rate options won't affect your credit score. Next is going to be lendingclub.com. Now, what I like about Lending Club is that you can actually do 2 things with them. Number one, you can obviously borrow money, but you could do that for a personal loan, or that you could also do it with an auto loan refinance. Now, another option is too, if you guys want to become an investor with Lending Club. That's really what Lending Club is. It's a pool of investors, regular people just like you, and they invest their money into other people. So essentially, you join the Lending Club, and then they allow people to borrow your money. And of course, you get paid based on the interest rate and the percentages and the terms from that person. You can learn on their website more about this as well, but most people come to them, for personal loans. Next is Happy Money. Now, Happy Money may sound like they're new on the scene, but they actually just changed their name. This actually used to be payoff.com, and then of course they changed their name. And of course, a lot of people, you can still look the information up and then find out, but now they're offering a lot more. And as you can see here, checking your rate is free and will not impact your credit score. To go ahead and apply, you just click there to apply, and you can also learn more about other products that they may have as well. Next on our list is SoFi. Now, SoFi does so many things. Now, SoFi actually got in trouble a few years back just because of the language and how they were advertising their student loans. So with SoFi, of course, you just look at their products. Most places just have personal loans. They got everything from student loan refinancing to private loan refinancing, mortgage loans, personal loans, so they got everything you need to go ahead and go into it. And of course, as it says, checking your rate will not affect your credit score. Next is going to be Discover Personal Loans. Now, a lot of people don't know about Discover Personal Loans, and this next bank I'm going to be covering as well. A lot of people don't know about these banks either because they don't promote it. And like if you've had a Discover card in the past or something like that, then they most definitely will give you an opportunity, to apply with them. But you do not have to have a card in order to go ahead and get a personal loan. So just keep that in mind. Of course, they would like for you to have that, but again, you do not have to have it. And as you can see here, it will not impact your credit score if you want to go ahead and apply and go from there. Next on our list is American Express Personal Loans. Okay. Now, with American Express Personal Loans, you can get the funds that you need with American Express. You do not, I repeat, you do not have to have an American Express card in order to get a personal loan or even to see your numbers. I think a lot of people don't understand how important that is, to see the terms that you're about to say yes to before you actually move forward. This puts the power in your hands, and that way you can actually see what all the terms are for all of these banks. Instead of just going with one bank and saying, okay, that sounds great, you can actually go through all eight of these without having any commitment. And you can then decide which one is going to be best for you. You're the one that's in control. You are the client. You are the catch. Don't ever forget that. Now, if you find yourself in a situation where you need to lower your personal loan monthly payment, check out this next video as I break it down here. See you there.